Dear brothers, today I am going to explain NoFap celibacy experience of a person who's trying almost 3 years to reach his 90 days goal, but unfortunately he didn't reach 90 days, but he reached almost 62 days. Before that, I am just going to explain what he's trying to say. Actually, he was a 23 years guy and he tried almost 3 years to reach his goal of NoFap. NoFap means he's 90 days he's trying to reach. Unfortunately, he unable to reach 90 days, but he tried almost 3 years. So he reached 62 days, 45 days, 48 days like that, and the benefits he's getting is very immense that I am going to read after. And before that, he at the beginning of 3 years he just maximum his streak is 62, but he lost it between his 1 to 16 days, he lost it every time, and nowadays he tried to reach almost 16 to 21 days and he above 60 days on 16 days only nowadays. So because of that, his immune capacity of keeping the semen almost 16 days plus nowadays, 20 days, 16, 20, 40, 48 like that he is trying to keep, and he feel that his beginning stage and current stage is like hell and heaven. Current stage is heaven. So that he explained this clearly, that the more days you are keeping your semen within you, sperms within you, it is really helpful to reach highest goals. And he had a lot of struggles and he had a lot of experience, so he tried to explain his words, so that I am reading out his experience and how he did and what is his benefits, what are his benefits, and he giving lot of tips also, so it will be much useful for the celibacy community, NoFap community. So I am going to read out his experience. Let me start by saying I have not recovered, stayed clean. I have been doing NoFap for about 3 years now, but still struggle with it today. My longest streak was 62 days. Other long streaks including 45 days, 42 days, 48 days, 30 days, and like that. Most of my relapses yearly in my journey, it took places before 14-day mark, 1 to 14 days. But now these days and current days, most of my relapses around after 60 to 20 days only. I would say that the benefits that you get from NoFap depend on your personality and how you damaged your brain is from porn and or masturbation. Other thing to mention is that my addiction was accelerated to very disturbing pornographic material, trance, that caused speed and complete uninterest in real girls, even though I am not straight and used to gracie from them. My addiction was nearly caused me to commit a suicide. My life on being on a NoFap streak 14 to 21 days, versus more of my life 1 to 14 days. After that relapse or night and day is heaven versus hell. It is difference between not wanted to do anything but frustrated and talked down to myself and being happy, motivated to be a leader. I hope that this post will help people will live their best life possible and decreases suffering. Anyways, here is my benefits, and down he is giving benefits. Okay, what are the benefits he's reached in past 3 years? I read it out. Increased energy, more masculine, more lean, strong, athletic, increased confidence, decreased social anxiety, and usually gone within 20 to 60 days. And social anxiety, it takes almost 20 to 60 days to be cured. And increased motivation, increased happiness, life is beautiful and easy, deeper voice, stronger erection, decreased paid, more interest in real woman, increased productivity, wanted to connect with others, feeling like the alpha male in all scenarios. Okay, what are his benefits? See that he is having that increased energy. When we follow NoFap, our energy level is automatically increased. For example, when we are not releasing our sperms out, we get abundant of life force inside us. It is getting more and more, and our body getting more energy. So when we eat a food, it automatically converted into our life force. What is life force? It is because when we have our father, he released his sperms, and one drop of sexual liquid fluid, there is millions of sperms inside it, right? And that sperms, and in between that sperms, millions of sperms, only one sperm is going to our mother's orbitary, and we come out, right? So that much power. When we waste our sperms, we automatically losing our power. So that is why he getting increased energy, more masculine. And even our garden side and agricultural area, the animals which are not doing his intercourse activities, it is getting more stronger. And with the animals which is going behind that girl animal, so it's losing its energy, automatically lost energy. So the masculinity and body temper is losing even in the animals also. So the same way he get more masculine and more lean, strong and athletic. And which unwanted the fats are, it's going to burn, because our hungry is going to reduce. And our hungry, why it's going to reduce? Because without wasting our sperms, we get more energy. For that, our eating habits also drastically change. Because of that, our body getting lean also, strong also and athletic. Increased confidence level getting to the roof, and decreased social anxiety. And regarding the social anxiety, it take at least 20 days to fix the social anxiety. Many people's losing sperms, it's directly causing into the anxiety. It is very big trouble nowadays in young generation. Okay, next, increased motivation, increased happiness, and these all automatically driven by NoFap. And life is beautiful and easy, deeper voice, stronger erection, decreased speed, more interest in real woman. When we watching porn, that is not a unimaginable, that is too much unimaginable things. In real world, there is no connectivity between the porn and the real world. If we follow the exact porn, the girls getting destroyed. The way they making the porn and adulterous things, they purposefully want to destroy our society. The people who are making money just for money, they just spoiling the society, right? So we get real interest in the real lady, and we understand the ladies, girls' feeling. At the same time, we respect them. They are not a sexual objects. They are our mothers. They are our sisters. So we have to give proper respect, that it will automatically comes when we follow the NoFap. Then stronger erection, increased productivity, wanted to connect with others, feeling like the alpha male in all scenarios. All is well. Okay, these are the benefits he is experienced, and now he is going to give some tips how it will help all of us, so that it will be much useful for all our NoFap community. Tips: it might be easier to stay clean early on in your journey. This is because you have more motivation and are not habituated to relapsing. Accountability partners may help, but make sure you don't get triggered or demotivated if they share info about their journey and its relapse. Do not fantasize. Do not even allow yourself to get to the point where you are anywhere close to the relapsing. I am read out this sentence because it's very important. Do not fantasize. Do not even allow yourself to get into the point where you are anywhere close to relapsing. It's very important, because if we fantasizing that sexual things, we automatically getting aroused, and we unable to control end of the day, because it is our day-to-day activity and we addicted to it. So we always addicted in past life. So when we fantasize it, the automatically we going to lost. So he is telling that not even allow yourself to get into the point where you are anywhere close to the relapsing. That's 100% correct. This is your brain tricking you to relapse. This is your brain tricking to you to relapse. You may say, "Fuck it. I will just look at some Instagram pics." Next thing you know, you relapse and feel like shit back to square one. Once I get to the point where it is mammal brain versus the logical brain, which is shut down and during the arousal, the mammal brain has always come out on top of it and won. So don't give it to any energy to the fantasizing things. Make the decision that porn masturbation is 100% not an option, then stop thinking about it. Throw out triggering material if you have to. It is easier to recover when you cannot do the thing that has caused addiction. Focus your energy on living the best life possible so that time flies. Try to always be busy. Discover your triggers and stop them as soon as they come up. Possible triggers including drugs, alcohol, loneliness, boredom, sadness, materials, etc. Don't binge after relapse. If you can, try not to relapse at all. However, if you relapse, binging will damage your brain further, cause you become more addicted, make you less energized. Here is okay. Now actually these are the tips Mr. Jacks giving and what actually he is trying to say is he just simply say, don't fantasize the things, don't try the same thing what you did before that helped to relapse. So please understand the basic fundamental things to follow NoFap is we have to be more strong. Our mind should be more focused on what we need to do, not what we don't need to do, because we addicted to do in the social medias and other things. This social medias is helpful in some ways and very negative in some other ways. So it is our mind and we have to control our mind to focus a successful life, not to spoil all other anxiety things. Dear friends, this is my first experience video in English. I know there is some flows and slowdowns, so hopefully it will improve in future videos. Kindly thank you so much for your support being watching in this video. I am very grateful for you all. Kindly thank you so much. I really appreciate if you like or subscribe our channel, and if you share our channel, it is very motivating to me, and I will post more videos and hopefully more improved videos. Kindly thank you so much. All is well. Be blessed.